Yeah. Okay guys,
This is how we're gonna do it.
and again with another video. Today we've got a special guest. Clap. You know, this is my brother-in-law, and I've got my nieces. So I'm Tina. What's your name?
My name is Shania and this is Sarah.
And I'm Jack.
If you want to watch our video, click that red subscribe button and give a big thumbs up.
Brother-in-law, he's gonna teach us how to do an Indian dish, and he's our master chef for today. So we're gonna get started. So what are we doing today?
We're gonna cook a chili chicken.
Yeah.
Most of you guys maybe had it before. Chili chicken is basically Indian dish. And it works that way. Every state you move in India, they got a difference. They make your chicken a little bit soft.
So the vinegar that you put in the chicken?
So it's just to keep it soft. No.
Yeah.
This one is again your choice.
So
Thai filler is a little expensive than the breast chicken.
Yeah, Dad, how long is it gonna take for?
Maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
Oh.
See how.
Should we wash our hands first? We need to wash our hands.
I did already.
Yeah. Push it.
I'm going to get.
So do you cook this often?
Not much. No, it's just once a while when I just when you feel like you're gonna eat spicy.
Yeah. You can do this for your family, any event, special event.
Yeah.
If you're a uni student, so it's anyone can do it. So what's your favorite Indian dish?
The one we're cooking right now.
Chili chicken.
Chili chicken. Yeah. The next one is who's gonna wash it for me?
Me.
You do it together.
Wash it together.
Wash it with the hands. Yeah. Just take it. Can you put 3-4 spoons of that?
Of this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's hope we can do this.
Get more.
So 2,
Get more.
3,
And one more.
4.
That's enough. Now can you get the corn as well? 2 spoons of that.
Yep. Shana, what's up?
I wonder what it's gonna look like.
It's gonna look like very spicy.
Oh, it's gonna be spicy.
Oh,
So what we're gonna do?
Wow, that smells strong.
Yeah, that's alright.
The vinegar.
Yeah.
Guys, the struggle is real.
So that's our marination is now.
Ooh,
That's all.
serious? My lord.
and guys,
From the ginger hair.
and
Hey, thank you, Sarah.
guys, and
Thank
guys,
Oh, are you clapping
She
for
loves
Daddy?
my songs.
and
Okay.
guys.
So he's chopping ginger into little dices so that way it's gonna be mushed together with the capsicum. Oh wow, look at that, very small pieces.
We're gonna cut garlic as well. So, to easy way, you press it with the knife, and you just chop it. Easy way.
I thought you can just.
See ya?
Okay, so we're basically almost done, yeah?
This one is marinated chicken,
Yeah.
which is going to be fried first.
So yum. And we've got what's in here?
See how we did the
Onions.
onions? They just like, we just peel them off rather than cut chop. Spring onions, and these things we need later on.
To mix it later.
Mix it later.
Yeah.
So we're gonna move to fire now because we're going to fry chicken. Alright, so next step is to fry it. The chicken we before marinated it. So what most people do, they do it 2 times fry. They do it once, then they fry it. But you don't want too much fire underneath, so you don't want to burn your chicken. That's all. So we just do a little bit slow cooking. Let your oil warm up before you start putting your chicken in. Never put chicken in the cold water. I just cover it with the lid. We'll leave it for say 10. So next step is adding salt. So that's a tomato sauce, just any tomato ketchup sauce.